Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Pretty Pink Posh is celebrating their 11th birthday with a fun celebration release. It includes stamps, dies, stencils, and some beautiful shaker bead mixes. If you are interested in any of the products, I do have links in the description box below. I'll show you all of the new products in the new release, starting with the shaker beads. The first set is called Birthday Wish, beautiful blues and greens. Next is Party Time, fun rainbow mix of colors. And the last one is called Sugar Plum, and it includes several purple shades, white and metallic silver. Now moving on to the stamp sets. The first one is a sentiment set. It's called Upright Greetings Birthday. Pretty Pink Posh's upright greeting sets have been really popular, and now we have the new birthday theme set. And this works really well with their sentiment strip die set. The next stamp set is called Birthday Icons, and there are coordinating dies. The stamp set includes 12 small celebration birthday images, and the coordinating die set has a die to go around every image and also 3 different sizes of circles. The next stamp set is called Number Candles. So every single number with a little candle flame on top, and it also includes the sentiment Happy Birthday. There are coordinating dies to go around each of the images, not the sentiment. There's also a new alphabet candles die set. So every single letter, each letter has the flame on top, and on this set it also includes the small solid for the flame, the sentiment Happy Birthday, and several other small sentiments. The coordinating die set has a die to go around every single letter, the candle flame, and also the larger Happy Birthday sentiment. The final stamp set is super cute. It's called Birthday Dogs and Cats, and there are coordinating dies. This stamp set includes 3 sentiments: surprise, yappy birthday, and let's party instead of party. And there is a die to go around the larger sentiment. If you love to color, the images on this set are absolutely adorable. Now moving on to the die sets. The first one is a Party Hat Shaker, and there are several shaker die sets included in the release. What's really fun, you can use them and create a shaker, or you can use them as a non-shaker. I love having the 2 different options. There's also a cake slice shaker set. This set is really cute. You can create a slice of cake, so you can see the 3 different layers. And there are lots of different die pieces to decorate your cake, including a candle. The next set is Scallop Flag Tags. I love having a wide variety of shape die sets, and this is a great new addition. It includes 5 different sizes. The next die set is one of my favorites from the release. There's a new holder die set. This one is a dog. Super cute images, and it has the cut out end of the paws so it can hold different images. And there is an add-on set called Birthday Holder Edition. Last release, Pretty Pink Posh had a fox holder, and now they have the dog. And you can use all the different pieces together. In the Birthday Holder Edition set, there's a cake, cupcake, a party hat, presents, and the sentiment wish. I'm really looking forward to using this set, and it doesn't just need to be for birthday, you could use it throughout the year. The next die set is a new Fringe set. We already have the tree, the heart, and the new set is present. There are 4 different layers, and it all adds that fringe cut at the bottom of each layer. There's one new sentiment die set, Let's Party, and it includes the shadow. So the 2 individual words, let's and party, and also the shadow for each of the pieces. There's a new cake pop set. This one's called Birthday Cake Pops. Super cute set. You can create 3 different sizes of cake pops. There's a more rectangle, almost looks like a marshmallow, the circle, and star. It includes the icing, dripping pieces, plus lots of different embellishments to decorate your cake pops. The next die set is called Streamer Dies. There are 4 different streamer pieces, and it also includes some of the individual pieces for the pennant and the flags. I think this will be a really fun set to add to cards and projects. There's one more shaker die set called Present. This is a fairly large image, but it does still fit on an A2 size card. You can use the die to create the shaker, or you can make a large present that's a non-shaker. It includes 2 different options for bows, and it has the 2 different pieces to wrap the ribbon around the present. The final die set is called Party Flags. This set would be perfect for decorating straws or pencils, since you could wrap the flag around those different items. And there are lots of different pieces to decorate the flags. Now moving on to the stencils, and there are 5 new stencil sets this month. I'll start with the single layer stencils. The first one is called Wavy Stripes. Then we have Cascading Stars. Next is Paw Prints. This goes perfectly with the new dog holder die set. The last 2 sets are layered stencils. This first one's super cute. It's called Layered Birthday Cake Pops, and there are 3 stencils included. And the final stencil set is called Layered Garlands, and this set also includes 3 stencil layers. So that's everything that's included in Pretty Pink Posh's February 2025 release. I couldn't resist making a card right away. Not showing the process, but I do have a process video coming very soon where I made 10 cards. I did use pattern paper for the background. It's from Newton's Nook Designs Birthday Party Collection. The featured die set for the card is Pretty Pink Posh's Present Shaker. The gorgeous glittery blue paper I used for the bow and the tiny stars is from Your Paper Insider. It's their current subscription box number 10. It matched so beautifully, and I love that little bit of sparkle. Since this is a large shaker, I added foam in that cross section behind the white ribbon. That way I could add the shaker beads in those 4 separate compartments without filling the large present image. This was a really fun card to make. I love Pretty Pink Posh's different shaker bead options. If you are interested in any of the products from the new release, I do have links in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing another video featuring the new products. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.